Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. If you are new here, in today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look using all UOMA products. They have a new collection, Salute to the Sun. It's so beautiful. If you'd like to see how I created this look, continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. It's very hot, very, very hot in here. I'm taking, I believe it's Canet. I'm gonna link everything in the description because I know I'm gonna butcher all these names. This is a roll-up eyeliner. It's like a chocolatey brown. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna take that first and run that right into my waterline, top and bottom. I want these to be as close as possible, so take your time. Just give yourself a guide. You can always go back in with a Q-tip and a little bit of spit and make that better. Now I'm gonna run it along the bottom lash line and I'm gonna make it pretty thick. Same thing, I'd say just go for it because a little bit of spit on a Q-tip makes everything better. It's hot. It's 98 degrees. Let's shoot a video in a room with no air conditioning or a fan. You want them to be going in a similar direction. I can't even see, so this is gonna take some time. I'm pulling this out. I want that line to be straight, so if you have to fake it a little bit, go for it. Fake it till you make it. That's definitely too high. A little bit better. What's good about this look is that the sweatier you get, the better it looks. Then connect the outer corner. And again, just go for it. Fill that in. Just fill that whole lid in. Don't worry if it's the perfect shape because we'll just go in and clean that up. But you want to get the basic gist. Q-tip. It's actually not too bad. And you want to elongate it as far as the other one. So little at a time, take your time. You gotta get a better setup. You're gonna find that cap. Now, this is such a beautiful collection. The products are beautiful, but the packaging. Oh! So now I'm just going to take my finger, load up on this color up here. It's like a greeny gold. Same thing, just throw it on. For me, a lot of it is more the takeaway than the application. Oh my God, I'm getting this everywhere. Things are not going well. Nobody panic, nobody panic. If it falls, just dust it off. Back in, Q-tip. And just clean up and create the shape that you want with that. Once your Q-tip is dirty, chuck it. It's so wasteful, but I eat plants and I don't use paper towels. You do what you can. I'm a good person, I'm not a great person. There we go, clean that up. I'm just using the lens because I have a mirror here, and nothing's working. You know what? Good enough. You can always go in with a small brush, make that a little bit more perfected. Get that shadow all the way onto that liner, pull it out. Oh, God, I'm dying. Okay, that's what powder's for. Let's just add shine. First, mascara. I believe this is the same formulation as Drama Bomb. I know it is, and it's wonderful. But this, the collection comes with a really beautiful blue, do top and bottom, lots of mascara, lots and lots. Keep it going. More. Makeup doesn't have to be perfect, I don't think. Okay, so this shine. Okay, everybody, I can read this one. Quartz Glow. I put a little bit on the back of my hand first. Take a little on the fingertip. Run that on the highlights. Oh, look at that. God, this is so pretty. I'm getting out of control, but I don't care. Out of control and wild. What? Okay. Look at that. Look at it. Take what's left. Rub it on your bod. Neck. Chest. If you're wearing something that shows any part of your skin, you can turn this on and it's like you're meant to be glowing. You're not just glowing because it's 98 degrees. Lips. I love this formula that they have. It's like a lipstick and a lip gloss, so it's a high shine lipstick. gives a good amount of coverage, but it gives a beautiful shine and it lasts a long time. I think that's it. Okay, so yeah, a couple of products. I gotta get out of here because I am wet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I love your comments, and thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.